Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Najwa binti Rahman, and I'm here with my group mates, Alaa, Ibrahim, Mohamad, and Mohamad Ihsan. So we are going to present about our analysis on the student performance.csv dataset. Our main objectives for this analysis is to identify key factors influencing student test scores, understand the relationships between various demographic and environmental factors and academic performance. And the last one is to develop insights that can help improve overall student achievement. As I said before, we use the students' performance.csv dataset. This dataset contains information on 1,000 students, including demographics, gender and race, ethnicity, parental level of education, lunch type, test preparation, course completion, and scores in math, reading, and writing. So we use Python and several data science libraries to conduct our analysis, such as Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization, SciPy for statistical tests, and scikit-learn for machine learning models. So these are our main steps that we followed in our analysis. Which is the first one is data cleaning and pre-processing. We check for missing values and created derived variables like total score and average score. Second, exploratory data analysis, EDA. We created various visualizations to understand the distributions and relationships in our data. So the third one is statistical test. We perform ANOVA to test the impact of parental education and achieve scale. Test to examine the association between gender and performance categories. And the last one is multiple regression modeling. We build a model to predict math scores based on the available features.
Okay, now let's dive into our key findings. First, we found that parental education has a significant impact on student performance. As we can see in this graph, students whose parents have higher levels of education, they tend to perform better. This was confirmed by our ANOVA test, which showed a significant relationship with a p-value of 4.38 to the power 10. Next, we observed that students who completed the test preparation course consistently outperformed those who didn't. This suggests that structured preparation can significantly improve test scores. Okay, next, we notice slight gender differences across subjects. Females tend to score higher in reading and writing, while males score slightly higher in math.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Continuing with our key findings, we discover a strong positive correlation between math, reading, and writing scores, with correlation coefficient above 0.8. This suggests that performance in one subject is good indicator of performance in others. Socioeconomic factor. We also found that socioeconomic factor play a role in student performance. Students with standard lunch, which we used as a proxy for higher socioeconomic status, generally performed better than those with free or reduced lunch. Performance distribution. Looking at the overall performance distribution, we found that the distribution of total scores is approximately normal, with most students falling in the middle range. We identified 28 high achieves, scoring 90 or above in all subjects, and 285 students below the passing grade of 60. Predicting model results. Moving on to our predicting model result, we built a multiple regression model to predict math scores based on the available feature. Our model explained about 25 to 27% of variance in math score. While this indicates that our feature has predictive power, it also suggests that there are other important factors not captured in our dataset. The top feature influencing math scores were 1. Parenting education level, especially bachelor's and master degrees. 2. Socioeconomic factors. 3. Certain racial ethnic group. Now I will hand it over to Ihsan to discuss about our conclusion and recommendation. Thank you.
Right. Thank you, Alaa and Ibrahim for the key findings. Next, we are going to discuss our conclusion. So, based on our analysis, we have drawn the following conclusion. First is parental education has a significant impact on student performance. Second one is the test preparation courses are effective in improving scores. Third one is slight gender differences in subject performance. And for the fourth one, we can conclude that socioeconomic factors play a role in academic achievement. Okay, given these findings, so we are recommended the following action to improve student performance. The first one is enhance test preparation programs. This expand and improve this program, making them accessible to all students. The second one is parental engagement, which develop programs to increase parental involvement in students' education, especially for parents with lower education levels. The third one is targeted support. This is to provide additional support for students from lower socioeconomic background and certain racial or ethnic groups that may be underperforming. Fourth one is gender-specific strategies. This is to implement the strategies to address gender gaps in different subjects. The fifth one is holistic approach, and this is to consider the factors beyond academics, such as study habits, motivations, and mental health, which may contribute to the unexplained variance in our model. And the last one is future research. This is to conduct the additional studies to identify other factors influencing the student performance, as our model only explains about a quarter of variance in scores. Okay. Thank you for attention. So if you have any questions, so you can refer to our GitHub, which in the links. I think that is from us. Thank you for your time, and I hope this analysis insight is very valuable. Thank you.